What's up, everyone? cryptoFOXXY here. Thanks, guys, so much for stopping by the channel. So in this video, I am going to talk about Kaspa. You guys know I've been talking about Kaspa for months, and I put my money where my mouth was back in May, and I got into Kaspa. I got a decent position, and I've been up over 60% since just May. So let's talk about Kaspa. Three recent all-time highs in the last little while, and it is absolutely smashing it, crushing it. So let's jump into it in this video. Make sure you guys smash the like button and subscribe to the channel as well for more cryptocurrency news. You guys know I'm here for you guys all the time, and Kaspa is one that I like to talk about. The price reached new all-time high today, reaching 20.79 cents. The altcoin's been on a bull run for the past 3 months with a 91% increase in duration. So I got in back on May, I believe it was around the 17th. And I'll actually show you guys a little bit of a chart there. So this is the third all-time high formed by Kaspa's price in the last 3 months. Conviction among investors has also been considerably high, which is how the altcoin has managed to counter the broader market bearishness over the past week. I do firmly believe that. I think that Kaspa has a different type of community where it was, it's more of a community takeover type project. A lot of great devs behind it. It is it's one that they launched without having team wallets and marketing wallets and all that kind of stuff. So it's funded by the community basically, and that's why it hasn't been trending on any major tier 1 exchanges, because they just simply lack the funds like that to do so. However, that can also breed what we call organic growth. Kaspa's got to where it is today because of the community and what they believe that the coin can do, and what the project itself and the ecosystem is primed and ready to go. Right? They just redone all the code, and they're in Rust now. They are doing a ton of things, working on smart contracts and all that good stuff. So Kaspa has a ton of potential yet. I don't think it's even close to being where at its peak or anything like that. Has yet to see, a massive bull run as well. So that is something that I am highly anticipating for Kaspa to get through and have some great success. So in the last 7 days, Bitcoin's price has dropped below 65K. We've watched it. We've seen, the Fed news and all that stuff in the US. Kaspa has managed to post a 16.5% rise. So this thing, like I talked about before, it's not correlated to Bitcoin. It is in a negative way. So it has a declining correlation, is what they call it. Kaspa shares with Bitcoin currently at 0.33. A low correlation results in a token generally not following the path of Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin basically goes up, Kaspa kind of does its own thing. It's not moving directly because of Bitcoin, and that is very rare in my opinion. We don't see a whole lot of that. So I'm going to jump over to TradingView here. Just one moment. Share this. So this is basically the Kaspa chart since May. We can see here the date down here is May. I'm just going to make sure that you guys can see all that. Okay, perfect. So I purchased back here on May around, I think it was around the 17th. So we're up, I'm up a little over 60% right now, sitting at, even if we're at just the 19-cent area there. So I think Kaspa has a ton more room to go. I think we might even see, we might see a cool off the next couple of days, see it run again a little bit. I'm anticipating we might hit that 24-cent area that I've been kind of watching. So let's jump over and we're going to get some news, see what they've been up to recently. This could explain some of the movement that we've seen on the charts. Kaspa is going down under. So Kaspa was a gold level sponsor at the Australian Crypto Convention in Sydney on November 23rd, 24th at ICC Sydney. What does it say? 20? Oh, okay. In this coming 23, 24. So that is an announcement they have come out with. They are coming to the Australian Crypto Convention in November. So that is really cool. I know they have a lot of Aussies surrounding them as well. So that is really cool. We also are seeing cars and stuff like that. But what was the other thing? Great. They have some AMAs, and they've also they've been listed on Probit Global, which might be also helping move their price as well. Trading pairs Kaspa USDT, and trading is open on Probit Global. So that's really bullish news for Kaspa as well. Like I said, guys, they have yet to actually break any major tier one exchanges. We don't have Coinbase. We don't have, Binance. We don't have crypto.com. We don't have any of those major exchanges. So, a lot of the issue there is a lot of them will make you actually pay them. And you have to pay to be listed. And, when it's the community that's funding the project, sometimes they just don't have those funds. They want to just do it organically. But you know what? Some of these tier one exchanges are going to realize you're missing out on a ton of trading fees. I know myself, I trade a bit on oh goodness, Margex. I'm always trading on Margex. I'm actually on there almost every single day. A lot of times sometimes I pass on doing any trades, but if I see Bitcoin moving very with a lot of volatility, I will make a few trades, just kind of, up my position just a little bit. And I've noticed that Kaspa moves quite frequently, and I've been kind of looking at that as well. I'm trying to kind of figure out how it moves, because you can't really go on Bitcoin because, like I said, it's negatively correlated to Bitcoin. So I've been, wanting to do a little bit of trading with Kaspa on there, but it's a little bit harder to kind of determine where it's headed. So I'm going to do a little bit of research on that and see if I can kind of start to trade, because I've heard that some people are making some decent money on Margex trading Kaspa. So I want a piece of that pie. But that's what I got for you guys in this video. And it was a little bit of a longer one, and whatever it is, what it is. You guys know I'm bullish on Kaspa, so I like to talk about it. And if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for tuning in. And don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.